Okay, for this lesson, we're looking at Module 4, Lesson 2, Multiply Multi-Digit Decimals. So we're going to start right up over here. When multiplying decimals, ignore the decimal. Simply multiply the numbers as you go. Then add/count the number of decimal places in the problem and bounce the decimal that many times right to left. Okay, I'm going to show you what that means. So Kara buys 11.2 pounds of pork chops for $3.50 per pound. How can you find the total cost? We're going to multiply. So I'm going to turn my paper sideways so I can write my multiplication question. I have 11.2 times, and it's $3.50. I'm going to go ahead and drop that 0, so I'm going to do 3.5. And I'm just going to act like it's 112 times 35. So 5 times 2 is 10. 5, 6, and then 5. We're done with those. So in the second row we go down, we add a 0. 6, 3, and 3. We're going to add them together. So I have 0, 12, 8, 9, and a 3. Now, up here we have 1, 2 places behind the decimals. So down here we're going to start from the right. We have 1, 2 places behind the decimals. So $39.20 is our answer. This guy right here. Jared mows the grass every weekend in the summer. The amount of gas he uses per hour is shown. How much gas does he use in 5.8 hours? So here's 5.8. Here's 1.2. And we're going to solve it right down here. So I have 5.8 times 1.2. We're going to act like it's 58 times 12. So 16, 10, 11. We get a 0, and we get an 8 and a 5. We're going to add those together. 6, 9, 6. We have 1, 2 spots behind, so 1, 2 spots. So he uses 6.96. Now we're going to go up here without word problems, and we're going to just multiply them out. We get 12, 8, 9. There's only 1 spot after the decimal, so we're going to put 1 spot after the decimal there. 7 times 3 is 21. There are 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and our decimal will go there. In these blank spots, we have to write a 0. Okay, we're getting longer. 12, 15, 16. We're done with our 3. We go to the next row. 8, 10. Add them together. 14, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And we're going to put our decimal right there. Okay, here you have to be careful so you keep the numbers lined up. 0.0123 times 0.015. So we have 15, 10, 11, 5, 6. We're done with our 5. We go to our 0. We have 3, 2, and 1. Add them together. 5, 4, 8, and 1. Now let's count how many decimal places we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So down here we have to do 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And here's our decimal. In these blanks, we're just putting zeros. And that's our answer. Next one, we have 9 times 0.2. 9 times 2 is 18. There's only 1 spot this time, so 1.8. Okay, we've made it to our check understanding. So in our check understanding, you're going to see what you can do before playing the video and then check it once you're done. We get 45. 9 plus 4 is 13. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, this one. 9 times 2 is 18. There's no decimal place down here, but there are 1, 2, 3 up here. So 1, 2, 3. Decimal, we put a 0 here. You can put a 0 in front if you'd like. Okay, now you have to be careful about keeping things lined up. Your best handwriting, please. We have 3, 4, and 6. When we're multiplying, you do not have to line up your decimals. You can just multiply like normally. 0.647 times 0.003. We get 21, 12, 13, 14, 18, 19. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In those blanks, we put our zeros. Last summer, Rachel worked 3.85 hours per week at a grocery store. She earned $9.70 per hour. How much does she earn in a week? So we're going to take 38.5, and I'm going to drop the 0, and I'm going to multiply by 9.7. You can keep the 0 on if you want. 35, 56, 57, 58, 59. 21 plus 5 is 26. We're done with those. 45, 72 plus 4 is 76. 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. So we have 5, 14, 13, 7, and 3. 1, 2, 1, 2. So she earned $373.45. And this last one here, we're finding the product. Remember, product is the answer to a multiplication question. 2.3 times 0.6, 18, 12, 13. 1, 2, 1, 2. So 1.38.